ball. Turning out the wall. Keep on a 6 hours in my 7 up every carry. Everyone never live it, man, on the chill and up.
Drop them back like Marlon. In a while, me no call one lawman. Let's see here, the shot and it.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. The war between Vybz Kartel and Alkaline has intensified as Alkaline dropped his most recent track titled Not a Clown, aimed at dissing Vybz Kartel in the brawlingest way, in the wickedest way. And speaking of clash, we see which part Skeng diss up the 6 bars and everybody were affiliated and associated with the 6. Yo, this track, me can't wait for you drop. Speaking of 6 bars, speaking of 6 leader, switch part the leader of the 6 over in Trinidad and Tobago has been arrested and charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. We talked about that already, but the big story outside of Trinidad right now is that he has been denied bail and possible I go serve at least 4 years behind bars before him can even go to court, before him can even have him trial, before him can even have any hope of coming back a road. Shan Paul, we see which part him a ball for unity in the industry. Shan Paul, you know, feel like I said that too late. Viewers and subscribers, me I go tell no why. We see Shenseea this up Russian in the wickedest way in our brand new track titled It and Run. Or just me, I exaggerate. Viewers and subscribers, we have all of this to speak about in this report. But before we go further in the details, may I ask you for them one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. When you reach this far, so please may I ask you, give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. So up first, we see which part Dancehall Mag make a post, and all credit goes to Dancehall Mag for this one. You see what me I say. We see which part them I say Shan Paul, I cry for unity between the artists them, and I say yeah what, want all of you to tour together. That's what me I say. Make dancehall great again. Now, me always feel a way when me see people like Shan Paul, especially somebody who have been there, done that, I forward now. And I cry for them things there. In a Shan Paul 8 days, you know see Shan Paul a tour with the youth. You know see yeah, me not go say him never have unity. Me never say him never unite with all of the artists them. But you know see Shan Paul I can't nobody pan no tour. And I say yo, we push dancehall. You don't see him a do that. In a little last part, we see him can't ching and them look on the one time. But Shan Paul, where were you when the artists them a fight for your place in the industry? Where were you when just one appearance and one of your tour them would have make a difference, not just for the artists them, but for dancehall itself? And I know you forward and I talk about unity. No, you found and talk about Carapan tour. Alright, Shan Paul. Make we see you scrape up on 10 dancehall artists and bring them on your next tour. Do that, Shan Paul. And then we can say you're serious about this unity thing. You're serious about this thing of dancehall artists bringing each other on tour. You've been there, done that, and wanna see you do it. You see what I say? So now that the youth them, both male and female, fight for your spot in the industry and I go on with them thing however them want to do it. Yo, allow them make them do them thing, and all respect to you, Shan Paul. You see what I say? You're one of the best, you're one of the greatest to ever do that. We can't take that from you, and regardless of that, your songs them good. We still play them, we still listen to them, but yeah, what? People like you, no fi forward and say them thing there. Make Bounty Killer, make Vybz Kartel, make them man the forward and say that. Viewers and subscribers, tell me your thoughts on Shan Paul putting out statement or stating that dancehall must unite. Artists must bring artists on tour when him himself been there, done that, and never do it. Except one time we see him forward with ching and a few other little man. Viewers and subscribers, we are move right along.
But you are pre-relationship and that's a no for me.
So what do you see Shenseea preview a song? You see what I say titled It and Run. And when me see the title, when me listen to the preview, me I say no man, this song is definitely a diss song aimed at dissing producer Russian. Remember, this come right off the ears of Russian, making some statements regarding Shenseea and the direction of our career and all of them thing there. And when me hear what she have to say in the preview, me I say no man, This is a diss song aimed at Russian, regardless of the nature of the song, regardless of how it sound. We know them artists are got to work. A simple thing for them do a girl song, simple thing for them do a party song, simple thing for them do a gun song, and this a man or shade a man. That's what me I say. So when me I make it, me I say, yo, Russian forward out and say some things about Shenseea and her career. Shenseea forward out and say, yo, she give him a hit and run. Me I say, yeah, she probably give Russian a hit song in a some way, shape or form, and Russian did want her, maybe feel like she obligated, want her to do more song and thing, and she decides, so watch I know you go your way, me go my way. Russian never like that, so in forward and he say, what I say. But viewers and subscribers, when the official track was released, instant hit, and it made me wonder and I look pan it say, yo, when Steph London and Jada Kingdom and the whole of them in the dancehall, in the female segment of dancehall, I go at it and I clash each other, diss up each other. Shenseea in the studio, I cook up a hit song. When Alkaline, I diss up everybody, skeng them, squash them, everybody I go at it, the TJ them. Masicka in the studio, I cook up a hit song. You see what me I say? When Russian, Kyle Butler, all of the producers them in the industry, I go at it. Steve the Genius in the studio, I cook up a hit song. Viewers and subscribers, you can't want it better than that. Instant hit. By now the song is supposed to reach 3 million streams on YouTube. Without a doubt, it's definitely going to be one of Shenseea and Masicka's biggest song ever. Just a pity, say this never there on Masicka album, even though it is a feature with Shenseea. I don't know a Shenseea song and Masicka is a feature upon it. But regardless of that, if this did depend the album, may I tell you, not normal. Viewers and subscribers will have to check out one little piece of the track. Shenseea and Masicka, hit and run. Check it out.
You couldn't get me for second down. Nigga, yeah, hit and run.
So over in Trinidad, we see which part a bag of things are going on between the 6 members and the 7 members, and even a new gang we call themselves the Ghost Gang. Viewers and subscribers, we see which part the police in Trinidad and Tobago, them arrest and charge the leader of the 6 camp over in Trinidad by the name of Tyson. That is just him alias, as so many viewers and subscribers. Them arrest him for illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. Not only that, we see which part them deny him bail, and I also saw an article stating that he will be behind bars for 4 years before him even know him fate of what your viewers and subscribers. This sound like something what them did do to Vybz Kartel. You see what me I say? Lock him up, hold him without bail. You see what me I say? Now this just show me say them a do all of this for get rid of all of the gang members. And yo, me always support that. Once the police them a do them job, you see what me I say? And them a do it the right way, and I scrape out the people them were involved in a badness, involved in a gang activities, then yo, me support that 100%. People like them, they nothing up on the street, and again, it is once they are involved in wrongdoing to the magnitude at which the police them feel like them involved in it. Yes, what me I say. Now we see which part whole heap of the 6 them over Trinidad that they do, and them boss, the leader, is not on the street. So right now, the thing look away for the 6 members. Right now, it look like say them weaker than ever. And speaking of the 6 members, we see which part the official 6 leader, the 6 boss, Squash, we see which part him there in a studio with Russian. Look like him a work on something on the dirty money rhythm. And viewers and subscribers, that is something we can't wait to see. But here what? We not done with Squash yet. Here what? We don't done with one with the 6 camp. So check out that piece of tracker and then we come back to it. So in that track, which is a preview by Skeng, man himself, we see which party man diss up the 6 them wicked. Every single one, from the one them where they are Jamaica to the one them where they are Trinidad, and we also switch party man big up the 7 members, and we don't know the 7s them over Trinidad. I kill out the 6 them. You see what me I say? We switch party Squash and diss up the 6 as well me say, and I big up the 7s. Jablem, We see him run out wicked in defense of the six, and yo, nothing wrong with that. We don't know. Squash really and truly depend on a different level when compared to Skeng. So we not expect the Squash to go run in and answer Skeng. That just don't make no sense. So with all of this now and JBLM run out, me just feel like say them a use this to highlight JBLM more, to send JBLM more award. Squash just say, yo, watch on JBLM, you run out. You see what me I say? JBLM, me not lie, a big artist, a good artist. You see what me I say? And him drop 2 diss track right now so far aimed at dissing or in response to what Skeng preview. Viewers and subscribers up until now, none of them no big like the one with Skeng preview. None of them no sound good like the one with Skeng preview. And after JBLM release him first diss track aimed at dissing and responding to Skeng, we switch past Skeng make the post here on him Instagram story.
We give them the place run and they cannot run it. We say, Allah, so all them there say that. All them.
Now Skeng, you said that card that we are draft for, there is no way you should have draft it. Because you and Masicka in a war. And the Masicka we see first forward with that. From way back when. From before him listen in release Tyrant and them thing there. So me I say, no we see you forward. But viewers and subscribers, the war is on. Me I tell you the truth. War between JBLM and Skeng and we want to see. But if a hit we get, a hit we are going to take. And speaking of war, we are moving right into the last topic. Check this out. So in our day, we see which part TJ and Valiant them a war. We see which part Jada Kingdom and Steph London them a war. Whole heap of little war go on. Yes, what may I say? Alkaline jump out with a song titled No Rival, and in the song clearly Alkaline at diss up Vybz Kartel in the wickedest way. For example, check out the line here. Now when a man I go forward out and say, yo, them no Baptist and I sing bout and backfist and all of them thing there. Who them could I not talk, especially when we know say Alkaline and Vybz Kartel a rival. Remember, a Vybz Kartel the way him there. A Vybz Kartel them always I say I do them thing because him now not woman which part him there. So me I say no, everybody ignore it because them so caught up in the clash between Steph London and Jada Kingdom, in the clash between Valiant and TJ, and just about any and everybody else out there war. Yes, what me I say we switch part Vybz Kartel drop a song titled Jagabat. Yes, what me I say, check out piece of it.
Play with the night of a deal. If you 6 pounds and turn it your way. Man a ball, man a shot, not hip hip.
So when Vybz Kartel dropped that song, it was clear confirmation to me. So Vybz Kartel was responding to Alkaline song No Rival. So me run out and make them know say, yeah man, Vybz Kartel a drag them, but you see what me I say, the war is on. And after me drop my upload, funny enough, that's when me see everybody start run with it and I say, yo, Vybz Kartel rate, and I'm like, yo, one of the day when it really a go on, one of the day when me see it when we were so caught up. And now as you see me put it out, everybody start running with it. But I don't know when I watch that. We switch part Alkaline now drop another track after Vybz Kartel, Jagabat, and Alkaline song titled Not a Clone. Viewers and subscribers, check out the line here. Now after me hear that line, me I wonder, where Alkaline a pray? You move from saying you're not a Baptist, you're no backfist, now to start to saying them a fellowship. Wait, some church dealings are going, where I say them a church boy and yeah, the demon. We don't really know. But viewers and subscribers, it is clear. So Vybz Kartel and Alkaline and go at it in a lyrical battle. We don't know. Vybz Kartel are the king of clash. Them man they know how we got to work. Them man they now just come out and call their name brawling like that. Shares are true. Just like Alkaline, we see him been there, done that. We see him robot Gaza, we see him robot 6 years, we see Alkaline robot just about any and everybody where him clash with. You see what me I say. So him also know how we got to war. Him no need to come and call a man name. Subliminal alone is enough. And right now, the war between Vybz Kartel and Alkaline is officially on. So yeah, check out piece more Alkaline track, Not a Clone.
Me wrote them me a call jail. Peel up in them skin and pierce it like nail them stack.
Viewers and subscribers, we there and we are wait. We are wait to see some more track with more concrete, with some more subliminal. That's what I say. Some more real connecting line where we can say, yes, Alkaline, and you Vybz Kartel attack, Vybz Kartel, and you Alkaline attack. So for now, that is it for this report. That's what I say. Remember, on reach this far, so give this video a like. But here, check out piece more Alkaline track, not a clone. Bless up.
Get shot up on my back alone. I'm going to me and I'm going to squeeze it till it hot. Man, one finna take that this kilo.